Here for another ELA video lesson for you, and we're going to start by reviewing our letters. Are you ready? I'm going to hold up the letter. I want you to shout out what it is, and we're going to do the sound motion, and we're going to go over how to make it in the air. So I'm going to have you using your magic pencil to trace the letter in the air. Are you ready? Okay, here's the first letter. What is it? Hey, great job, Adelina. A for apple. Let's do the sound motion for A. Ready? A, apple. Good job. All right, here comes the next one. Oh, actually, first, let's get our magic pencils. We're going to trace that. So this one is going to go big line slides down, big line slides down, little line goes across. Good job. Next one is B. B with our hands. Okay, sign language. Remember, A was like this, so here's B. We're going to do the motion for B. B says boots. Ready? B, boots. Good work. B, boots. We're going to do a big line, slides down, jump back up, little curve to the middle, little curve to the bottom. Very nice. All right, here's the next one. What letter is that? C. Good job. C for cat. Okay. C with our hands, we just make it look like a C, don't we? Okay. And let's do our sound motion for C. Are you ready? C, cat. Very nice. Can you get your magic pencil? Let's trace it. Start at the top. Big curve to the bottom. Stop. Good job. All right, the next one is the letter D. D for duck. Can you do the sound motion for D? Ready? Like you're going to dig that shovel into the ground. D. And remember, when we make the letter D, we're going to have all of our fingers like a circle. One finger goes up. That's D. So D, duck. Here's the next one. What letter is that? E. Good. E for elephant. Let's do our sound motion for E. Ready? Remember, we're going to get that egg, and we're going to crack it. Ready? Nice job. So E, elephant, or E, egg. We get our magic pencils. We're going to trace it, starting at the smiley face. Big line slides down, little line at the top, little line in the middle, and a little line at the bottom. Good. All right, and the last one, friends, that we've done is F. Good job. And our sound motion is good. So F, fish. All right. Let's make it with our magic pencil. Here we go. Big line goes down. Little line go across at the top. And little line across in the middle. Okay. Forgot to do E for your sign language. And F. Okay. So F just has that pointer finger and the thumb are going to pinch together, and all the other fingers are up. Okay, so we can do A, good, B, C, nice job, D, E, and F. Very nice. You guys were so smart. Get your brains. I'm so proud of you. You're doing a great job. All right, let's do some rhyming. So remember, my turn, I'll say it, and then your turn, you will say it right after me, okay? So my turn, hug, bug. Your turn, hug, bug. They sound the same at the end. They both say ugh. Good job. Ready? My turn, mat, cat. You say it, mat, cat. They rhyme. All right, next one, my turn, fine, pine. Your turn. Pine. Good work. All right, here comes another one. My turn, red, bed. Your turn, red, bed. Good job. Red and bed, they rhyme. And the last one is my tie. Your turn, my tie. Do you hear that I sound at the end? That means they rhyme. All right, beginning sounds. Ready, Freddies? Okay, so I'm going to try to stretch that beginning sound out. You are going to try to think about it and say that beginning sound with me after, okay? All right, my turn. Chew. Your turn. Chew. Good work. Next one is leaf. Oh. Your turn. Leaf. Oh. All right, my turn again. Gold. G. All right, your turn. Gold. G. Okay, two more. Next one is my turn. My. What was the beginning sound? My. Good work. And the last one, race. Your turn. Race. Very nice, friends. Okay, we're going to put some sounds, some words together to make bigger words, okay? We're really good at this. So let's go ahead and get started. On my turn, I'm going to say it, and your turn, well, you'll help me put the words together, okay? So I will say the two small words, and then you help me put the big word together. All right, first one, we're going to put together shoe and box. Ready? Shoe and box. Shoe, box, shoebox. Good job. All right. Next one, door and knob. Here we go. Door, knob. Put together. Doorknob. Good job. Next one, some and one. Here we go. Some, one. Put together. Someone. Nice job. All right. And the next one is life and time. Here we go. Life, time. Put together. Lifetime. We've done some pretty good things in our pre-K lifetime, huh? All right, and the last one is fire and fly. Here we go. Fire, fly, put it together. Firefly. Awesome work. Okay, so now that we've done that, friends, I would like to do our ABC song. So I'm down in the corner. You can try to do the sound motions with me, okay? Here we go.
Candy cane, see cake.
Good job. D, dog. Duck. Why are you chasing him? Egg, egg. Elf, elf. Ooh. Girl, girl. Ooh, guitar. That'd be a fun present, huh? H. Good work. Oh, he's cute. With a hat. Squish. Insect. Get your thumb ready. Joker. Flying. King. Are you saying those sounds? Nice job. Oh, lights. Oh, good job, Gavin. Mittens. Good, Regan. Mistletoe. Nice work, Rat. Nut. Good, Aubrey. Nest. Ready? Like you touch something? It's good, Adelina. Octopus. All right. Ready? Partridge. Yeah, just like for Paisley. Good, Paisley. Pear tree. Two. This is a hard one. Qu. Quiet. Good job, Harlan. That's a tricky one. Pull that rope, Hudson. Reindeer. Rudolph. Good, Liliana. Ready, Rat? Get that snake. Santa. Sleigh. Nice job. Tree. Tinsel. You put tinsel on the tree. Perfect. Ready? Put your arms out to the side. Umbrella. Unwrap. B, pull it to your heart. Fan. Vegetables. Do you eat your vegetables? All of us do. Wagon. Winter. Oh, they put snow in the wagon. Be hard to pull. All right, here we go. Karate chop. Ready? Next one. Yarn. Yak reminds me of the Grinch. Zigzag. Zebra. Zap. Ouch. Whoa. Nice job, guys. All right. So, we worked on our letters there. We did some rhyming. We did some beginning sounds. I think we are ready for our silly story. Are you ready? So, I have the book with me, but so that you can see the pictures better, I'm going to put myself down in the corner again, and then I'm going to bring up your story on the computer. There. So now you can see me, and you can see the pages in the book really nicely. Are you ready? Santa's underwear. Okay, here we go. It's written by Marty Rhodes Figley. So if he wrote the words, that means he's the, did you say author, Hudson? Good job. And the illustrator is Marty Kelly. So if that person did the pictures, oh, I think I already said it. Adelina, what is it? Illustrator. Good job. All right, here we go. It was Christmas Eve and time to get ready. Santa shined his belt buckle and polished his best black boots. He ate a healthy dinner to give him energy for the busy night ahead. As Santa munched on his whole wheat bread, visions of delicious sweets danced in his head. Tonight, children would leave tasty treats by their Christmas trees just for him. Oh yeah, what do you leave out for Santa? Do you leave out sugar cookies? Or chocolate chip cookies? Oreos? I think Santa likes them all, so no matter what you leave, he will be happy. He brushed his teeth. Oh, good job, Santa. Then scrub-a-dub-dubbed in the tub. Look at that. Oh my gosh, he's got so many bubbles. After blow-drying his hair, Santa combed his silky beard until it shined like the new fallen snow. Wrapped in his favorite robe, he admired how jolly he looked in the mirror. Do you know what jolly means? He looks jolly. It means he's so happy. Yeah. The hour had come to put on his special Christmas clothes. What do his special Christmas clothes look like? He's got a big red jacket and pants, and he's got black boots. He's got a Santa hat. He is going to get all decked out and ready for Christmas. Here he goes. Santa pulled open the underwear drawer in his dresser. He poked around. Where were his long red woolly undies? Oh, even though they were old, faded, and saggy, he always wore them under his suit on this special night. They kept him warm as his sleigh soared across the starry, wintry skies. He cannot find his underwear, guys, and they're special underwear that he wears every Christmas Eve. Santa looked through the rest of the drawers. He checked the dirty clothes hamper and peeked under the bed, but all he found there was one white sock, a dusty rubber reindeer toy, and 2 sticky candy canes. No red undies. Santa sighed. Oh,